Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Holi season, and what better way to celebrate than with some homemade colors. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Holi colors at home. It's super easy and fun. Let's get started. First, you will need some powder. This will be the base of your colors. You will need some food coloring in your desired color or some water. Start by mixing equal part of powder and water in a bowl. Mix it until smooth and there are no lumps. Then add a few drops of food coloring to the mixture and stir in it. You can add more or less food coloring depending on how vibrant you want your colors to be. Once you have mixed your colors, transfer them to a muffin tin or other container with compartments. This will make it easier to use and store your colors. Now let's talk about safety. It's important to remember that these colors are made from food coloring and powder, so they are not harmful if ingested in small amounts. However, you should still avoid getting them in your eyes or mouth as they can cause irritation. It's also a good idea to wear old clothes or a white t-shirt that you don't mind getting a stain. And that's it. You now have your own homemade holy colors that you can use for your celebrations. Have fun and be safe. So guys, thank you for watching my video. With Holi just around the corner, I want to share a fun and easy way to celebrate while staying safe at home. Instead of buying chemical lantern colors, why not make your own at home? It's super simple and you will have a blast creating different shades. All you need in is some flour, food coloring powder and water. Mix the flour and water together until it form a paste, then add in your desired amount of food coloring. Voila, you now have your own very homemade color powder. Not only is this method safer for your skin and environment, but it also a great way to get creating with your family or roommates. Plus you will have a unique color palette that no one else will have. So this Holi, let's celebrate with the homemade colors and spread joy from the safety of our homes. Happy Holi everyone. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.